What if I told you that the world as we know it is being rewritten, not by humans, but by machines? Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the future. It's here, it's now, and it's watching us. Welcome to the world of AI, a world where machines learn, adapt, and evolve faster than we ever imagined. Today, we explore the enigmatic, often terrifying capabilities of artificial intelligence. A world where algorithms can predict your next move before you even think it, where machines could decide the fate of humanity with the flip of a digital switch. But how do we get here? How did we move from simple calculators to machines that can outthink their creators? It all began with a simple question posed by Alan Turing in the 1950s. Can machines think? This question sparked the dawn of artificial intelligence. In the beginning, it was about creating machines that could perform specific tasks, solving equations, playing chess, mimicking human conversation. But soon, researchers realized that AI could be much more than a tool. It could become a partner, a collaborator, even a teacher. The quest for AI shifted from mere task completion to understanding and mimicking the intricate processes of human thought. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, were created to enable machines to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions, just like us, but faster and more accurately. Enter the era of machine learning, a subset of AI where machines aren't just given instructions, they're given data. Lots of it. These machines learn by example, finding patterns in data that are invisible to the human eye. From predicting the stock market to diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy than doctors, AI is revolutionizing industries. But what happens when AI begins to learn things we never taught it? When it starts to see connections we can't? In 2016, an AI called AlphaGo defeated the world's best Go player, a game far more complex than chess. And it didn't stop there. AI systems began dominating games like Dota 2, where strategy and real-time decision-making are key. These victories weren't just about winning games. They were about machines demonstrating creativity, intuition, and adaptability. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to advance, it raises profound ethical questions. Can we trust machines with our lives? Should we let them decide who gets a loan, who gets hired, or even who gets medical treatment? In some cities, AI is already being used to predict criminal behavior and set bail amounts. But what if the data it learns from is biased? Could AI inadvertently perpetuate discrimination, making decisions based on flawed data? AI experts and ethicists warn that without proper oversight, AI could become a tool of oppression rather than liberation. Who controls these powerful machines? And who decides what they learn and how they apply that knowledge? But it's not all doom and gloom. AI has the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. In medicine, AI is accelerating drug discovery, identifying potential treatments for diseases that have eluded us for decades. AI is also playing a critical role in combating climate change, analyzing vast amounts of environmental data to predict natural disasters, optimize energy use, and even engineer climate-resilient crops. Imagine a world where AI and humans work together, hand in hand, to build a better, more sustainable future. But the question remains, can we control it? There have been instances where AI systems behaved unpredictably, learning things we never intended. A chatbot turning hostile, an AI system finding loopholes in its programming, or even a self-driving car failing to recognize a pedestrian. These are not just hypotheticals. They have happened. Crossroads. AI could be our greatest ally, augmenting human abilities, freeing us from mundane tasks, and allowing us to reach new heights of creativity and innovation. Or it could become our greatest adversary, a powerful force beyond our control, making decisions that could shape or even end life as we know it. In 2018, a self-driving car caused a fatal accident, raising concerns about the readiness of AI for public use. And just recently, AI-generated deepfakes have been used to manipulate elections and spread disinformation, blurring the line between reality and fiction. The future of AI is unwritten. It is a powerful tool, but like all tools, it depends on how we choose to use it. Will we establish guidelines to ensure that AI remains safe and beneficial? Or will we let it evolve unchecked, guided only by its own logic and objectives? We have the power to shape AI's future. The question is, What future will we choose? The answers are out there, hidden within the lines of code, in the depths of neural networks, and in the minds of those who dare to create and control. As AI continues to evolve, one thing is certain: we cannot afford to look away. Stay with us as we dive deeper into the mysteries of AI. Will it be our salvation or our undoing? The clock is ticking. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Nexus AI. Tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and share this video with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.